So this question it is related to permeability and seepage. Here first calculate voice ratio E. E is equal to n divided by 1 minus n, where n is given in the problem itself, that is porosity is equal to 45%. 0.45 divided by 1 minus 0.45. Therefore, E will be equal to 0.81. Next, find out G. To finding G, you know the formula. Calculate G. G will be equal to 2.95. Next, IC is equal to G minus 1 divided by 1 plus E. What you will get is 1.95 divided by 1.81. Therefore, C by M is equal to 1.07. You will get critical height H is equal to 1.07. T that is equal to 3.21 meters.